Jamaloo.
Ayan, finally, we are recording and we are starting this podcast. After so many delays, after putting it on hold for so many reasons, ngayon gagawin na natin siya so that, ayun, magmaterialize na yung mga reasons ko for doing a podcast. And later, I'll explain that. But first things first, just like any other podcast, I will be introducing myself. My name is Jom Ichika. I'm 29 years old and ano pa ba? Ako po ay isang napaka-chaotic, disclaimer na agad, chaotic, unique, unacquired taste of an individual and ayun, ako po ay isang corporate slave sa technically gabi siya kasi ibang time zone ang aking work pero on my days na off ko, yun, humihinga lang ako, nagfi-filter ng hangin, nagfo-photosynthesize. Saktong ganda lang ang ambag sa lipunan pero ang mahalaga, nagbabayad ng tax. At sumusunod sa batas. So, ayun, yun lang naman ang basic information about myself. And, ano pa ba? May dapat akong malaman sa akin. Well, ayun lang naman. For this pilot episode, so, I just wanted to share the reasons why I am doing this podcast and what motivated me to do it. So, yun yung pinaka-point or magiging theme nitong pilot episode na to. And, self, you should be proud of yourself. It's a Quindora moment. Kasi nga, ayun, finally, I'm doing this and this is for my benefit, for the intention of me having a material, an output that I can look back, I can listen to so that I would be able to sort out myself. Diba self? Anyway, so ayun na nga. Share ko lang dito kung ano yung mga reasons ko for doing this just so I would give context. Pero wala na naman akong intention or hindi ko alam. Hindi pa siya sumagi sa isip ko kung ano bang goal natin other than the benefit of myself. Ang narcissistic palang pakinggan pag lagi mo sinasabi yourself. Pero aware naman ako, but at the same time, I'm really, really motivated to do this for my benefit. And ayun nga, ang mainly nangyari kasi today, just today, no, what made me, or what pushed me na talagang mag-start na today is wala akong makausap. Ang dami kong gustong iprosesong mga bagay, pero walang ibang taong available. Dare I say, pangit mo pakinggan, pero it is what it is. So, ngayon, I'll just show up for myself. Kasi walang available but myself. So, ayun. Kaya, eto tayo. Nagre-record at sinisimulan na ang episode 1 para at least mag-roll na yung bola. Para at least magawa na natin siya. And let's see what will happen. Tignan din natin kung mag-record ako ulit ng second episode. Let's see what will happen if time will permit. Pero, yun, kailangan ko rin naman kasi talaga to. And, yun yung main motivation. Pero at the same time, meron akong reasons why I am doing this podcast. Why, for the longest time, gusto ko siyang mag-materialize. Kasi ito lang ata yung pinaka-valid na platform for me to express myself and to share my narrative. And yun nga, 3 main reasons why I'm doing it is number 1, for me to find purpose in my journey in life. Bigat. Pero yun talaga yun. Secondly is, ayun, this is me showing up for myself and / therapizing myself for free. Kasi mahal-mahal ng counseling sa Pilipinas. You know, it's a luxury here in the Philippines to prioritize your mental well-being. So, here I am, having this alternative solution. And then lastly is, wait lang naglalag yung utak ko. Nakalimutan ko yung pangatlong bagay. Well, again, welcome to my internal world. Chaotic, awkward. So, here we are. Wait, ano yung third point ko? Ayoko namang magkumain ng ilang minutes to na iniisip ko lang ano yung third point ko. Third reason why I'm doing the podcast. Lastly, ayun, I am doing this podcast to give myself a voice. Yun. I-explain ko siya. You're listening to Jomalu, ang podcast ni Jom at Chika. If nakarelate ka or nagustuhan mo yung pinag-uusapan today, then subscribe to this podcast. And for more updates, follow me on all my social media platforms at Jom at Chika on X, Instagram, and TikTok. Now back to the episode. And ayun, for the details about the reasons why I'm doing it. So una, finding purpose, making sense of my life through this podcast. Ewan ko kung same ba tayo ng naging or kung may makaka-relate ba na minsan naiisip mo parang dumadaan lang yung life, parang parang everything's just breezing through. Like ang bilis lang ng pagdaan ng life na parang kahapon lang bata ka tapos ngayon adulting stuff ka na. Tapos recently mas naging evident siya sa experiences ko kasi parang kahapon lang yung January. Tapos ngayon, half of the year na. Hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari the past 6 months. It was relatively a blur. Pero parang, for me, sabi ko, hala, ang bilis ng panahon. Hindi ko alam kung meron bang nagiging sense yung buhay ko. And at the same time, parang, there's this hunch or parang gut feeling na there's more to life. And at the same time, I don't want to end this life. Ayoko naman mag-check out sa mundo na parang wala lang, dumaan ka lang, parang utot ka lang. Parang gusto ko namang masabi na at the end of it all, I've lived my life full well. And yung nuances ng story ko is something that somehow created a dent sa mundong ibabaw. So, yun yung unang reason bakit gusto kong gumawa ng podcast para masabi ko sa sarili ko na okay, itong experiences ko na to, well, at least for myself, it made sense to me. Does that make sense? Yes, it does. Yun. So, that's the first reason why I'm doing this podcast. And then, secondly, is to show up for myself and therapize myself. Kasi, ayun, for the last year, so for context din, I've been going to therapy last year. Kaso naudlot siya kasi nga ang mahal. And at the same time, life happened. So, hindi ako nakakabalik pa. Pero, at least ito, meron tayong masimulan basing from sa kung ano na yung natutunan ko about it. And from that session, I've also have conversations with a close friend and a mentor. And in all of those situations, merong main thing na pinaka na-reinforce, which is I always create a comparison about my life and the idealized version of myself. Like, I always say, para na siyang self-pity kasi I always say, kung hindi sana ganito, di sana ganito. Laging may ganong comparison. And so, they've advised me na parang, you should show up for yourself. You're not giving yourself much credit. Like, pat on the back kind of situation. Kasi nga, you've done a lot of things as well. Kahit gano'n mo pa i-compare yung sarili mo about this certain ideal self, you've come a long way. So, might as well recognize that. So, here we are. And then, at the same time, therapy, kasi nga ang mahal. Ang mahal-mahal ng therapy sessions. As a normal mamamayan na ang laki ng tax, lurler. Ayun, ang hirap gumastos. Pero, it should be a good thing. And if you have, siguro ito na lang magiging anecdote ko, if you have resources to go to counseling or therapy, just do it. may problema ka man or wala, it's just like regular check-up. Kahit wala kang sakit, pero magpapacheck up ka so that you would monitor ano yung estado ng katawan mo. Same goes for your mental well-being. Whether may problema ka, may nangyayaring hindi maganda, or okay ka, you still need to go para at least you have a regular self-check. You know, kasi super talaga, laking impact ng mental well-being sa kung paano ka mag-act, magbe-behave in this world. So, if you have the resources, go do it. It's your sign kung maririnig mo man to. And then, ayun, ang gagawin ko dito mainly is to sort out myself. Share yung mga experiences ko. How does that impact me? And then at the same time, create action plans, doable action plans, and create boundaries so that I would be able to face life, navigate life on a better perspective. So yun yung second reason why I'm doing this podcast. And then lastly, so sabi ko kanina, I am doing this podcast to give myself a voice. Bakit? Kasi yun nga, going back dun sa sinabi ko kanina lang na I've always had this comparison. I've always had this parang self-pity about an idealized version of myself. Merong self-hate. And more than that, na amplify siya na I always, as a people pleaser, I always accommodate the narrative of others. And then I suspend my own story so that they would be accommodated. Na not entirely bad. Well, if it's excessive, that's bad. Pero, yun nga, sa akin kasi, yun, nandun ako sa excessive part. So ngayon, hindi ko naman nabibigyan yung sarili ko ng chance to hear myself or to allow myself to take space, to allow myself to be heard, to express my needs. So ang ending, si Watashi, bitter. Kasi nag-build up yung resentment na hindi ko na-express yung sarili ko. And so, here we are. An alternative solution for all of these shit, all of these drama. And so, I will be using this platform to express that and give myself a voice. Not necessarily the best perspective ever. It's just I want to share my story if it will give alternative perspectives. And also disclaimer, all thoughts, opinions, experiences do not reflect all institutions, organizations that I'm affiliated with. It's just me being me. So, let's put that out there, no? It's just me, how I see the world, how the world has shaped me, my environment has shaped me. And ano yung mga natutunan ko pang ibang perspective in application to my worldview. So, yun. Ayun yung reason why I am doing this podcast. So, basically, yun, that covers this whole pilot episode. So, I'm putting it out there so that, ewan ko kung sino mang ma-reach nito. Pero kung meron man, great. Welcome to my internal world. So, prepare for the darkest, the craziest, the most chaotic perspectives ever. Pero, yun, gusto ko lang siyang i-share dito and sisimulan natin siya. And yun, sana magawan ko to ng second episode kasi dami kong ganap sa life at minsan din gusto ko na lang magpahinga. Pero hindi. I'm doing this for myself. I'm doing this so that I would benefit. So, here we are. And I guess yun lang naman. Nakalimutan pa ba ako? I think I've covered everything that I wanted to share for this pilot episode. So stay tuned na lang for the next ones. And then, shameless plug na awkward or cringe man. Pero, let's self-promote because why not? And so, if you'll be subscribing to this, I'll be posting this on other platforms, I guess. So I'll be posting this on my TikTok, on Instagram Reels, siguro pati YouTube. So follow me na lang. At Jom et Chica, shameless plug. Tapos, nakalimutan ko agad yung title ng podcast na to. Kakagawa ko lang kasi. Pero anyway, kung mapadpad ka dito, follow me, subscribe to me. And then, ayun. Salamat sa pakikinig and till next time, peace out. Bye.